The intake process marks the beginning of the healing process. So before you get started, you really need to take care of the 3 Ps of payment, paperwork, and privacy. First, take care of privacy. You know, almost everyone is packing a cell phone, and it's very easy to forget that it's even there. So you need to make sure that your client has turned off their phone before you start talking about their problem. You know, even if it's set to vibrate, that's a distraction, and you want the client's full attention for the whole session. So make sure that you're not going to be disturbed during the session by getting them to turn off their phone. Second, get the money up front. You need to get the money out of the way before you dive into the client's issue. That way you won't have to ask for payment after the session. Now, why is this important? Well, when a client emerges from hypnosis, they're still processing everything that happened during the session. You know, thoughts and feelings and insights can be bubbling up to the surface, and this is a process that you want to encourage, not interrupt. So if you take care of the payment before you get started, you won't have to interrupt the client's process, and this can help you to get a deeper level of healing. Finally, you need to take care of any paperwork that you might need before you begin the intake. So, you know, if you need a doctor's referral, make sure that you collect that before you start with the intake. And make sure that you have a signed release form before you begin the hypnosis. Now, I send out a client contact form to my clients to fill out before their first session. That way, when the client comes in for their first session, the first thing I do is ask for their client contact form. The information they give me in the contact form then acts as a natural segue into the intake process. So this can make your job very fluid and just a lot easier. You'll find a copy of the contact form in the resources area. Just download it and customize it so that it fits with your practice. Now, once you've taken care of the 3 Ps of payment, paperwork, and privacy, you're ready to turn your full attention to the client's problem. And this officially marks the beginning of the healing process. If you like what you've got so far and you want to learn more about the healing process of regression hypnotherapy, click the link in the description area below this video. I have lots more information to share with you. At Tribe of Healers, you'll find plenty of free and low-cost courses waiting for you that are specifically for regression to cause hypnosis practitioners, and they can help you to feel more confident in your sessions with clients. They can help you to get more consistent results working with the kinds of problems that people typically come to you for help with, and they can help you to grow a healing practice that pays. So click that link below the video and come on over to Tribe of Healers, and I'll see you there.